Yeah, so this is the continuation of the previous video. Dear students, again this question is also about distance of a point from the line along the lines. Okay, so very similar to the previous question. Now let me try to draw the diagram first. Distances of the point 1 comma 2 comma a from the line. Okay, now line is somewhere here. The direction of this line is 1 comma 2 comma 1. Okay, what is important for me is we have to assume the point, right? So we will assume the point here in terms of, so let us say, if the distance of the point from the line along the line L1, okay, so let us say this is L1 along this line, that means the direction ratios of this line will be 3 comma 4 comma b, and along the line L2 direction ratios of L2 are 1 comma 4 comma c. Now let us say this is point A, this is point B, this is point C. Okay, right? So he is telling that AB is equals to AC. So what do? Is we will do one thing. We know this line, right? So we'll take point B. This line equation is x minus 1 by 1 is equals to y by 2 is equals to z minus 1 by 1. So we will assume the point B as, in terms of lambda. So it should be lambda plus 1. So we'll write it as lambda 1 plus 1 and then 2 lambda 1 and then this should be lambda 1 plus 1. Why am I writing it in this way? You will understand. And C we will write it in terms of lambda 2, again the same thing. So it should be lambda 2 plus 1 comma 2 lambda 2 comma lambda 2 plus 1, right? I hope you understood this. We are equating this to lambda 1 first and then lambda 2 next. So we are writing B in terms of lambda 1, C in terms of lambda 2. Now point B lies on this particular line, right? Point B lies on this particular line. And what is the equation of that line? That should be equation of AB. We have point and we have the direction ratios. So equation should be x minus x1 by 3 is equals to y minus y1 divided by b is equals to z minus z1 divided by c. Now point B lies on this, so we can replace x with the lambda 1 plus 1 and we can replace y with 2 lambda 1, right? And we can replace z with lambda 1. So from here what do we get? We get lambda 1 divided by 3 is equals to lambda 1 minus 1 divided by 2 is equals to lambda 1 plus 1 minus a by b. So if I equate these two and if I cross multiply, 2 lambda 1 will be equals to 3 lambda 1 minus 3. So we get 3 is equals to lambda 1. Perfect. So we get the value of lambda 1 as 3. So if we get the value of lambda 1 as 3, then we will try equating these two. So we will get 3 divided by 3 is equals to 3 plus 1 minus a. So we get b is equals to 4 minus a, or we get a plus b is equals to 4. So if the question would have been what is the value of a plus b, then the answer would have been 4, but he's asking us to find the value of a plus b plus c. The answer can be less than 4 or more than 4 also, depending on the value of c. C need not be positive, right? So, okay, fine. Now what else can be done? Okay, let us say this is equation 1. So let us repeat the process for the second line. Now this point C also lies on this line AC, equation of AC. So let us find equation of AC. Equation of AC, right? What is the equation of AC? Passing through 1 comma 2 comma a. So again same thing, x minus 1 divided by something, y minus 2 by something, z minus a by something. Correct now? Yeah, and what is the direction? Direction is 1 comma 4 comma c. So we'll write 1 4 c. Correct? Now point C lies on this line, and what is C? Lambda 2 plus 1, 2 lambda 2, lambda 2 plus 1, right? So let us replace x with lambda 2 plus 1 and y with 2 lambda 2 and z with lambda 2 plus 1. So we get lambda 2 is equals to lambda 2 minus 1 by 2 is equals to lambda 2 plus 1 minus a by c. So if I equate these two, I get 2 lambda 2 is equals to lambda 2 minus 1. That means lambda 2 is equals to minus 1. Wonderful. So once lambda 2 is equals to minus 1, we will equate these two. So we get minus 1 divided by 1 is equals to minus 1 plus 1 minus a by c. So we get minus 1 is equals to minus a by c, and therefore we get a is equals to c. So we get a is equals to c. Okay, what else can be done? Now, yeah, I think now we have to use this condition that AB is equals to AC, dear students. Since lambda 1 is 3, let us find B. So B will be 3 plus 1 will be 4, 2 into 3 is 6, 3 plus 1 is once again 4, and since lambda 2 is minus 1, point C will be minus 1 plus 1 is 0, minus 2 0. So I think we have to equate these distances of AB and AC. So let me write down clearly. Point A is 1 comma 2 comma A, and point B is 4 comma 6 comma 4, and point C is 0 comma minus 2 comma 0. So AB is equals to AC, that means AB whole square is equals to AC whole square, right? That means 4 minus 1 is 3, 3 square is 9, 6 minus 2 is 4, 4 square is 16, 4 minus A whole square is equals to AC square should be 0 minus 1 whole square is 1, minus 2 is minus 4 whole square is 16, plus 0 minus A is minus A whole square. So I think we can cancel this. So we get 9 minus 1 is equals to 8, and we will expand this. 4 minus A whole square will be 16, plus A square minus A 8A will be equals to A square. So we can cancel this also. We get 24 is equals to 8A, and then therefore A is equals to 3. So if A is equals to 3, C will also be equals to 3, right? C will also be equals to 3, and A plus B I think is 4. Since A plus B is 4, B will be equals to 1. Acha, we need not find B anyways. I'm finding it. So what is A plus B plus C? That should be 3 plus 1 plus 3. That should be equals to 7. 7 should be the answer. So option 2 should be the correct answer. Thank you for watching this video. Dear students, meet you with the next one.